Okay, now let's fillet it, and here I will show you something else when it comes to filleting. If I press BD right away, you see that it is not filleting with the same thickness on all sides. So that's where the variable filleting comes in handy. So if you press B and D for run the fillet and left click, here you can use the add variable point. So if you press V, here you see the original edge we are about to fillet, and I want this fillet obviously to be as thick as this one. So therefore I have to add these variables on both sides, on the side which I don't want to change as well on the side which I want to keep on editing. So if I press here, nothing happens. That was the first click. And if I press here, the second click, you see that we get two handles. And now I can comfortably keep on filleting on this part, while the thickness of this fillet remains. And I press OK. If I hide the edges, I have this situation and I'm fine with it. So let's fillet the other side as well and press BD. I have again the similar situation. This fillet is much thicker than the other one. So again, I press V, click on the lower part of the original edge I am about to fillet, and on the top part. Boom. Now again, I have two handles and I can drag along the upper one while the lower one remains, and we can get an approximately equal fillet on the top one as well. Okay. And if I hide the edges, I am the happiest guy in the world. That was just an excerpt of a longer course I'm about to publish on Gumroad. If you don't want to wait, you can go to the Gumroad link in the description to meet Botley, a robot which you can build in a 5-hour plasticity course packed with dozens of tips and tricks discussed here on my channel. Thanks and peace!